Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Saturday, November 25th, 2023. It is 10:17 and 8 seconds a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, breast cancer. So let's hop to it here. Urban environmental exposures drive increased breast cancer incidence. Date November 20th, 2023. Source, Duke University. An analysis of breast cancer showed that the state's urban counties had higher overall incidences of disease than rural counties, especially at early stages upon diagnosis. A national template for assessing the impact of poor environmental quality across different stages of breast cancer, which is marked by highly diverse origins and mechanisms for spreading. North Carolina serves as a good model. It has a diverse population of 10 million spread over 100 rural and urban counties with varying environmental conditions. Individual environmental contaminants have long been associated with breast cancer, but we have limited understanding of how multiple exposures simultaneously affect this disease. The study explored the incidence of breast cancer within the context of the Environmental Quality Index, a county-by-county assessment of air, water, land, built environment, as well as the socio-demographic environment. The team further evaluated the different breast cancer stages, in situ, the localized early stages, regional and distant later stages, stratified by rural-urban status. In an earlier study, they assessed how environmental conditions impact the risk of a breast cancer patient having later stage invasive disease, comparing to non-invasive carcinoma in situ. As this is a continuation of that work to determine whether environmental quality and urban environment are related to the development of more advanced tumors in the community, and if so, what stages. In counties with poor overall environmental quality, compared to those with good environmental quality, total breast cancer incidence was higher by 10.82 cases per 100,000 persons. This association was most pronounced for localized breast cancer. The researchers also found that community-level effects of environmental exposures, notably in those counties with poor land quality, especially in the urban setting, were associated with higher rates of total breast cancer incidence. The Land Environmental Quality Index includes exposures from sources such as pesticides and toxic releases from industrial, agricultural, and animal facilities. As breast cancer incidence rates were also higher for later stage disease and total breast cancer among counties with higher populations of black residents. This is relevant as global incidence of aggressive breast cancers is higher in black women. The analysis found that higher mammography screening rates were associated with lower regional breast cancer incidence rates, which is relevant because improved screening is thought to decrease diagnosis of later stage disease. The analysis indicates significant associations between environmental quality and breast cancer incidence, which differ by breast cancer stage and urbanicity, identifying a critical need to assess cumulative environmental exposures in the context of cancer stage. This has the potential to develop measures to reduce disease incidence in vulnerable communities. And this is a professor of microbiology, bioinformatics, pathophysiology, and teacher of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.